Today we'll understand about factors affecting critical angle. Please watch the previous video on critical angle to understand this one better. Click on the I button on the top right corner of your screen. The first factor affecting critical angle is the refractive index of the medium through which the incident ray passes through. So, critical angle is indirectly proportional to the refractive index of the denser medium. Which means that for a given pair of media, if you increase the refractive index of the denser medium, the critical angle reduces, while if you decrease the refractive index of the denser medium, then the critical angle increases. Let's understand this with an example. The critical angle for water is 49 degrees, while the critical angle of glass is 42 degrees. Here, critical angle for glass is smaller than that of water since refractive index of glass, which is 1.5, is greater than refractive index of water, which is 1.33. Here you can see that since glass has a higher refractive index, the critical angle is lower, while water has a lower refractive index, so its critical angle is higher. Now, the question arises that what if we change the rarer medium? Means, when there was glass and air as the two medium, the critical angle for glass with respect to air was 42 degrees. But what if we find the critical angle for glass with respect to water? Water is instead of air. What will the critical angle be changed? We know that refractive index is equal to velocity of light in medium 1 over the velocity of light in medium 2. 1 where there is glass and air as the two media. The refractive index of glass with respect to air will be velocity of light in air over the velocity of light in glass. Velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second, and velocity of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. So we keep them in this equation and we find out that it simplifies to 1.5. So the refractive index of glass with respect to air will be equal to 1.5, while in case 2, where we change the rarer medium instead of air to water, the refractive index of glass with respect to water will be equal to velocity of light in water divided by the velocity of light in glass, which will be equal to 2.25 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second over 2 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. This simplifies to 1.125, which is equal to the refractive index of glass with respect to water. We notice that in case 1, where air is the rarer medium, the glass has a higher refractive index than in case 2, where water is the rarer medium. So, since the refractive index of glass with respect to air is greater than refractive index of glass with respect to water, so critical angle of glass with respect to air will be smaller than the critical angle for glass with respect to water. We can infer out of this that critical angle not only changes for different mediums having different refractive indices, it also changes for the same medium having different refractive index when compared to other rarer mediums. Now let's talk about the second factor affecting critical angle, which is color of light. As we discussed in the video of factors affecting refractive index, you can click the button on the top right corner of your screen to refer it. In that video, we understood that refractive index of a medium is inversely proportional to the wavelength of the light. And in the previous slides, we understood that critical angle is also inversely proportional to refractive index. To implement both of the points in this situation where two lights, one violet and another red, are striking on the water-air interface at x degrees and y degrees respectively. Violet light has a wavelength of 400 nanometers, while red light has a wavelength of 800 nanometers. The first point said that the refractive index of a medium is inversely proportional to the wavelength of light. So, the refractive index of air for violet light will be higher when compared to the refractive index of air for red light, as violet light has a smaller wavelength than red light. The second point says that the critical angle is also inversely proportional to the refractive index of the medium. Here, as we have proved that the refractive index for air will be higher for violet light than for red light, so critical angle for violet light will be lower than that for red light. This means that X is smaller than Y. Here we can see that violet light has a smaller wavelength and also a smaller critical angle, while red light has a higher wavelength and a higher critical angle. From this we can conclude that critical angle is directly proportional to the wavelength of light. So, higher the wavelength of light, higher will be the critical angle, while lower the wavelength of light, lower will be the critical angle. This makes sense as red light deviates less, so it will require a greater angle of incidence to have a 90-degree angle of refraction when compared to violet light, which deviates more, so it will require a smaller angle of incidence to create the same angle of refraction equal to 90 degrees. The last factor affecting critical angle is temperature of the medium. If we increase the temperature of the denser medium, then the optical density of that medium decreases, due to which the velocity of light in that medium increases. As we increase the temperature, the optical density decreases, due to which the velocity of light in the medium increases. But we know that refractive index is equal to velocity of light in the first medium over the velocity of light in the second medium. Now if you increase the temperature of the denser medium in the situation of glass, then the speed of light in glass will increase. Here, velocity of light in air is constant and speed of light in glass increases, due to which the refractive index of glass decreases. And we know that the critical angle is inversely proportional to the refractive index. So, as the refractive index gets lowered, the critical angle for that pair of media increases. To conclude, critical angle is directly proportional to the temperature of the denser medium. Higher the temperature of the medium, higher is the critical angle. Lower the temperature of the medium, lower is the critical angle. Please consider subscribing, like, share and comment if you like the video. Like, share and comment if you learned something new.